When it comes to maintaining a perfect garden, the most important thing is watering in a timely manner. Too much water can cause the plants to rot, whereas too little can cause them to shrivel up. Sometimes with a busy schedule, there isn't much time to care for your garden, especially if you're often away. With the top-rated sprinkler systems of 2023, you won't ever have to worry about your plants drying up again. Having a sprinkler system really can make life easier for you. Make sure to purchase a product according to the size of your garden and the types of plants you grow. Our detailed product reviews will help you find the perfect sprinkler system for you. Number 1. Rainbird Automatic Sprinkler System. The top in-ground sprinkler on our list is the Rainbird Automatic Sprinkler System. This digital sprinkler waters your garden automatically and is very easy to install. You won't have to worry about these sprinklers when mowing the lawn either, as they completely retract into the ground. This sprinkler system also does not require an additional pressure pump and is compatible with household water pressure. This sprinkler takes our top spot for in-ground systems because it is simply the most convenient for any homeowner with common lawn care needs. With this fully automatic, in-ground sprinkler system watering your lawn, you'll spend weekends enjoying your yard instead of constantly moving hose and sprinklers. Our high-quality Rainbird system is designed for easy do-it-yourself installation and helps you maintain a beautiful, green lawn season after season. If you're tired of brown spots and uneven results with manual watering, this automatic system is the perfect solution. Number 2. Melnor Multi-Adjustable Sprinkler System. Our top pick for above-ground sprinkler is the Melnor Multi-Adjustable Sprinkler System. With fully adjustable sprinklers, you can customize the water angle and stream pattern to your liking. It has a gentle dispersal method which makes it useful for projects that require a gentler touch, including watering for a flower bed or vegetable garden. The product comes with 3 completely adjustable sprinklers and connecting pipes. This above-ground sprinkler is the best option for someone looking to make use of that green thumb. A beautiful lawn or garden is in the palm of your hand. With these durable watering nozzles and wands, you can tackle all your watering chores. Prevent over or underwatering with Melnor water timers. They offer an easy solution for keeping your yard and garden healthy while conserving water. The Melnor Multi-Adjustable Spike Sprinkler allows you to water a full or partial circle, aim the spray without repositioning the spike, and vary the water flow. Number 3. Orbit 50021 Tubing System. The Orbit 50021 tubing system is the top digital sprinkler system on our list of products. It has an easy-to-install design that is placed in the ground using Blue Lock technology. You can easily adjust the height of the sprinklers based on the different varieties of plants that you need watered. This digital sprinkler system lets you create watering patterns and timings. It even includes a detection system to keep your sprinklers from watering when it's raining. This product is great if you are concerned with water conservation and the environmental impact of your system, as the installation process uses non-toxic materials and PVC piping. Blue Lock has reduced required insertion force by half of traditional barb fittings, making installation faster and easier on your hands. Blue Lock requires no glue or plumber's tape, protecting the environment from harmful chemicals used with traditional PVC fittings. Number 4. Eden 97063 Sprinkler System. The top adjustable sprinkler system on our list is the Eden 97063, which is categorized as a DIY plant watering kit due to its ease of installation. You can easily adjust the height of the sprinklers as well as the watering angles for all of your projects. This product covers small to medium-sized lawns, but can be coupled with additional units to increase coverage. It can be used with or without a pressure pump for optimal coverage. Each sprinkler covers up to 840 square feet at 50 psi. When setting them up in series, the coverage will decrease on the subsequent sprinklers as water travels further through the hose. The set offers a combined coverage area up to 1,638 square feet. Add additional sets to increase your watering abilities. Up to 3 sets maximum per water circuit. Number 5. Carpathen Drip Irrigation Sprinkler. The editor's choice on our list is the Carpathen Drip Irrigation Sprinkler, optimal for slow watering and ensuring that soil stays moist. This sprinkler system minimizes any water loss by making sure the roots and soil are hydrated. Enjoy taking care of your garden with high-quality drip irrigation parts. Adjust the drip irrigation spray emitters and forget about broken irrigation sprayer stakes and clogged drip irrigation heads. With a length of 7.28 to 7.48 inch and a sharp bottom, the irrigation bubbler stake can be easily fixed into the ground and stays still even in loose soil. Perfect for long-time application, The irrigation sprinkler heads are detachable and easy to clean, so you don't worry about clogging. This product is available for in-ground and above-ground installation based on the user's needs and the type of garden they have. You can easily install this drip irrigation system within an afternoon, making it a great alternative to any of the other products on this list.